Each time payroll needs to be processed, you'll receive an email 2 business days before payroll is due. You can also always log in and check when your next pay date or process date is on the dashboard. If you use that link in the email, it will take you directly to the payroll entry screen. You can also access that screen by going into the portal and going here, payroll processing, payroll entry. Once you're on payroll entry, your salaried employees will have some defaults in there, so you shouldn't need to key anything for them unless you have changes. And then for your hourly folks, you can come in here and key hours. And once all the hours or pay are entered into the grid, hit review at the bottom of the screen. And this is going to calculate your payroll. So up here at the top, you can see how many checks and direct deposits you have. And over on the right, you can see the total cost of payroll. At the bottom of your screen, if you hit the report link, it will pull up your pre-approval register. We highly suggest reviewing this. We won't know if you do or don't, but this is a good way to make sure that everything looks correct before you actually submit the payroll. So you can scroll down and there'll be a comparison report showing you the variance between this payroll and the last. That's a really good indicator to see if something is off. Once you're done here, you can close the report, and then if payroll's ready to be submitted, just click submit at the bottom of your screen, and that will send it over to us for processing.